If you're looking for power cables, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon UK Electronics. Power accessories, power cables, best sellers 2017. Number 1, by OTISA. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by World of Data. Number 3, by AAA Products. For more info about these best sellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by DabbersIT. Number 5, by Seedle Micro. Find these power cables at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Lindy. Number 7, by Anker. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Global Link. Discover more power cables ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Mitsuru.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.